The moral of this article is if you want to participate in these particular markets, it would be very beneficial to study up on Saturnian symbolism, then monitor the prices of BTC, GME to get a general idea of the sector health. So look again. All those 95s in the reduction cipher goes back to Saturn controls the gameplay in 95 in the purest sound energetic vibration cipher. This is the game we're in. If we understand this knowledge, we can get better at the game, right? We can make more money. We can help people. We can enrich our lives and others' lives. This is why I do what I do. ETH, AMC, 2022. BTC, GME, 2022. 56, 29, 118, and 37. All four base ciphers match. So we understand the gameplay that's happening, right? Saturn controls Bitcoin and meme stocks. So with this knowledge, how can we use this to our advantage? Well, we're going to get into this today with some Gematria. Make sure you watch this full video because this one is an absolute banger. What's up, everybody? Art Turner, Data Productions Media. Dreams are tangible aspirations where we scheme our dreams into existence. Like I said, I have a banger for you. This is kind of a continuation from last week's video and article. If you haven't watched last week's video and article, still talking about the meme stock world, the rainbow world, arcade game world, Iris, Saturn, that primes you for this one. So if you haven't done that, go watch that. But if you have, if you're up to date, make sure you pull up this article. It's already dropped on the Data Productions Media website. We're about to pull it up, and you can follow along as we go with this video. We have a lot to talk about, but I'm going to try to keep it concise, so let's get to it. If you have already been investing into the financial markets using esoteric knowledge, you at least know the concept of astrology playing a factor in stock and crypto prices according to the energy of a new or full moon. But to take it even further, there's a theory that Saturn controls the moon to control the earth. You know, the high tides on full moons and stuff in the oceans. If you follow Waters Above Crypto on YouTube, he talks at great lengths as to how Saturn runs Bitcoin, which in turn controls the whole cryptocurrency market. I highly recommend subscribing to his channel to learn more about cryptocurrency esoterically with amazing technical analysis. I love his channel. You know, I watch a lot of his videos to get up to date. You know, for me, my strengths are more into stocks. I do crypto with Gematria, but you also have to understand who the other great teachers are, and you can learn from them to elevate your game. So he's one of them. And also, I want to bring up another teacher I have. Now, he's not necessarily esoteric with his knowledge, but he's great with technical analysis, and I love his Bitcoin technical analysis. A very smart guy. His name is Benjamin Cohen. This is his YouTube channel. Go check it out as well. And he has some amazing thoughts about my 2022 thoughts about, you know, the stock market, about cryptocurrency. You know, at one point I'm like, well, maybe there's a buying opportunity to get really primo prices in 2022 for Bitcoin because we have that Bitcoin blunt betting, you know, that triple Bs for 2022. But he brings up a great point. You know, 2021 didn't shape up to be a parabolic year for Bitcoin as of yet. And this is where I guess ideologies kind of clash between Waters and Ben. And I'm going to get into it because I guess Waters is more of the belief that, you know, we might have that blow off top early December, which is very possible with Bitcoin. But we haven't even hit 100,000 yet, which is okay for me because I'm accumulating a lot of A.T.A. And, you know, Ben is looking at the charts and he's saying, look, you know, this cycle is just going to keep getting extended on. There's no reason it should be a bad thing that the Bitcoin cycle gets extended in 2022. And I'm sitting here, I'm thinking, okay, Ben, I like that because that fits even better with the arcade game world and triple Bs that I've been talking about for months now. And so let me show you what he said. But I'm going to go to my Discord. And if you're not in my Discord yet, you got to join, y'all. Like, it's free. We're learning a lot here. Great conversations with great people. But I brought this up on the 6th of November. And this is what Ben said in this video.
2021 so far has not really shaped up to be what most people imagined, but that what they imagined could be coming next year. Okay?
See? And look what I say. Tell me that BBB, Triple B's is not playing out. So that's good for me. I'm feeling great about that because right now it's still just an accumulation opportunity in the Bitcoin cryptocurrency space for people who aren't in it fully yet. So it doesn't need to have that blow off top just yet, just in my mind. But yes, I love both these guys. They're both amazing. Let me just give him a plug of his channel. Yep, see right here. So give those two, a subscribe. I love them. They help me with my cryptocurrency analysis. So let's go further, starting with the basics. Let's highlight who physically carries out the Saturn influenced matrix agendas. We know the Society of Jesus or the Jesuits. Look, Society of Jesus, 56 reduction, 79 reverse reduction. But look at this. GME and AMC and BTC and ETH, 56 reduction, 79 reverse reduction. So we know who controls right off the bat at least these four main stocks of these arcade game sectors, right, within the financial markets, right? You got the meme stocks with GME, AMC, and then you have cryptocurrency, BTC, and ETH. These are the top of their sectors. 2022 is an arcade game simulation, equals 506 in English ordinal, while GME is master meme stock and AMC is first alt meme stock, equaling 506 in the English ordinal cipher as well, but also 709 in the reverse ordinal to go along to 79s of what we just talked about earlier with the Society of Jesus and GME, AMC, BTC, and ETH. So you see how that's all connected, right? GME is the master meme stock for the meme stock world. AMC is the first alt meme coin. Like we already knew for Bitcoin being the master meme coin, the master coin, and ETH being the first altcoin, right? Planet Saturn, the Roman god, is all about time. The harvester, he has that scythe, the reaper. Its Greek equivalent is Cronus, like chronological order. Timing is everything in the markets, especially in crypto and meme stocks. We should understand 95 is the flip mirror of 56. So essentially, they are the same. Saturn controls the gameplay, 137 in the reverse reduction cipher, as well as that 95 in the Chaldean cipher, which we know that's a very important cipher because it's all about on sound vibrations. Sticking with that 95 theme, because it goes right back to the Society of Jesus with 56, important timepieces, the center of focus of time, Satoshi symbolizes Saturn, GME is the master meme stock, all equal 95 in the reduction cipher. So look again. All those 95s in the reduction cipher goes back to Saturn controls the gameplay, and 95 in the purest sound energetic vibration cipher. You see that? See that, right? This is the game we're in. So if we understand this knowledge, we can get better at the game, right? We can make more money. We can help people. We can enrich our lives and others' lives. This is why I do what I do. This is why I get out this knowledge, right? Going further, revolves around it. Saturn and Cronus both equal 95 in the reverse reduction cipher. All powerful 95s. All revolving around Saturn and time in the crypto and meme stock markets. Beautiful stuff. Look at these correlations, right? So AMC and ETH, the alts, 69.33, 174.48. Then you have the masters of the sector, GME and BTC, 69.33, 174.48. All four base ciphers, they match. That tells us, right? Look, same thing. AMC is ETH. GME is BTC. They all match in these as well. 78, 33, 138, 48. It's not done. The trifecta, look. ETH, AMC, 2022. BTC, GME, 2022. 56, 29, 118, and 37. All four base ciphers match. So we understand the gameplay that's happening, right? Before we move further, I just want to let you guys know I do have a Patreon page where you can support D.A.T.A Productions Media. Just in the link in the description below, I have tons of value for you guys on my Patreon. If you love stocks, I have my Gematria stocks, newsletters, and notes for only $5 a month. You get access to all my Gematria decodes from the past, over thousands of Gematria decodes. And look, I'm a swing to long-term investor. So all the stocks, cryptos I talk about, they're all still relevant and they're all updated with the Gematria connection. So if you love that part in the financial markets, that's only $5 a month. If you love my sports documentaries, I do banger sports documentaries as well. And I do them monthly on my premium Patreon page for only $5 a month. Look, guys, this is what the heat I've been dropping lately. Ah, man, I have Michael Jordan. I have WB, LeBron James Space Jam. I have the NFL, Blacks Before Columbus. I have Athletes Going Broke. I have Occult Baseball and Freemasonry. And, guys, this month, the month of November, I'm probably going to be dropping one of the best bangers I've ever dropped in my life. I'm going to be talking about the storyline of Magic and Larry Bird. Magic Johnson, Larry Bird, Lakers versus Celtics. Man, it all started in 1979, and it was a magical script ever since. I'm going to be talking about it, and you know what's going to be beautiful about the premium documentary? It's all going to be in Francis Bacon and Frank Baconist Gematria. So make sure you're watching my upcoming videos because I'm going to be going over those ciphers. So it's going to build up a top one what I'm going to be dropping to you guys, right? So say if you love my Gematria stocks and my monthly documentaries, only for $8.63 a month, that's a $1.37 discount, the 33rd Prime. You can get both my Dream Schemers Ultimate Woke Pack. That's how you can support my channel, but you get a lot of value out of it at the same time, which, you know, it's a mystery school. But let me give you a little taste of what I'm working on, and we'll get back to this video.
Alike in secrecy, contain within the most precious of things, one light, one dark, reflections of the self, broken now, except within one's consciousness. The arcane task, to build them up once more within the confines of the human soul, to stride inside the portal of the ancients and grasp eternity and its creations. Mother Goddess, mistress of the dream realm, beckon me forth to walk between your legs, but do not crush me as I make my final journey back inside the womb of infinity. Please, great architect of the universe, bestow on me your compass made of gold. Hold me steady as I draw my own circle of life and death and rebirth of my soul.
Okay, I hope you guys like that little taste of that Magic Johnson versus Larry Bird documentary I'm working on. Man, it's going to be great. I'm so excited. I've been tirelessly working on it, so I can't wait to drop it for you guys and on the Patreon side of things. So back to the article. It is common knowledge in the cryptocurrency space that everything revolves around the health of Bitcoin. If BTC is trending upward, altcoins generally trend upward as well. and significantly rise in price when BTC is bullishly consolidating. But the downside is when BTC is bearish, altcoins plummet. BTC is the master coin to the crypto market. This is the same case for Gamestop as the master meme stock. So just like Waters or Ben would say, when Bitcoin is rising in price, the alts don't do much, but they don't dip. Once Bitcoin stops rising in price significantly, Ethereum goes. And then once Ethereum goes, the money goes into like A.T.A, METX, and all the other smaller market cap altcoins. That's usually how the market works. Meme stock world revolves around GME, and GameStop and Bitcoin cryptocurrency token both equal 133 in Chaldean. We understand that one can sometimes be seen as 0 because 1 is a parent of a number, not actually a number. Actually, 1 and 2 are parents of numbers, and they're technically not numbers. So you could actually cast off 1 or 2 in a lot of situations. So we can see this as 33 in Chaldean. That's a little bit more advanced level stuff, but when you come to understand this knowledge, that's what you kind of build on top, right? I won't start that. You shouldn't start there if you're new to this, but that's like the next, elevation of things. Meme stocks are like the crypto sector, 133 in the septenary cipher, based off 7, the divine cipher. Then we have Ryan Cohen, the CEO of GameStop, imitates Satoshi Nakamoto, the person who supposedly created Bitcoin, 137 in the reduction cipher. Wow, the 33rd prime. Everything revolves around it equals 137 in reduction cipher. Ryan Cohen imitates Satoshi Nakamoto. Saturn. Everything revolves around it. Saturn. And then we have time is an illusion in the matrix, which equals 104 in Chaldean, along with everything revolves around it. See? A lot of connections. GameStop is the Bitcoin of stock market, 137 in septenary, 33rd prime. GME is master meme stock in meme stock world, 137 in Chaldean. GameStop is the Bitcoin for stocks, 1,370 for satanic, so we just cast that 0 off, 137. GameStop is like Bitcoin, 222 in Jewish ordinal, 1,307 in the Fibonacci. I like that. That 222, 2022 Saturn number. But in that Fibonacci, we have that 137 with that 0 off and that growth cipher. Very important. I actually like that. I like that decode a lot. I think that says a lot. And, even though GameStop might not be my cup of tea anymore at the prices that I just don't really want to get into that. That's not my investment profile. I still like to invest in meme stocks here and there. So that's, I have to understand what's happening. Bitcoin, Saturn, GME, Saturn, both equal 222 in Francis Bacon. I'm going to be talking about that cipher a lot with my upcoming videos this next 2 months to, cap out the year. So stay tuned on that. And we have meme stocks are here to stay in the age of Aquarius, equaling 2,220 in Jewish. Then we have Ryan Cohen is Satoshi Nakamoto, 1,222 in satanic, and 88, that BB, 2 infinity signs. Then we have BTC, GME, AMC, ETH symbolizes a new game to be played for making money as 201 in Chaldean. Then we have meme stocks will be profitable in 2022, 201 in Chaldean as well. See? The Jesuit order equals 201 in reverse ordinal. See that connection? The moral of this article is if you want to participate in these particular markets, it would be very beneficial to study up on Saturnian symbolism, then monitor the prices of BTC, GME to get a general idea of the sector health. Monitor BTC and GME prices for sector health, 137 in Chaldean. You have that 188 in reverse reduction. BTC and GME are Saturn's tools. We have that 88 in reduction. So what we're going to do now, I'm just going to go over the charts a little bit for GME, AMC, and then I'm going to talk about some, the second generation meme stocks. You know about CEI, I've talked about that. But we're going to also talk about that other play I've been talking about in my Discord a lot, METX. And why I have been talking about it, it's because it's a Bitcoin mining play, right? It's a Bitcoin mining play. So it's a cryptocurrency meme stock. I've been talking about it, right? It's a cryptocurrency meme stock. So let me bring it up before we get into the charts. So look, it's called Metin Holding Group METX stock, right? Metin Holding Group METX stock, 333 English ordinal. METX stocks is a blockchain story, 333 in English ordinal. We like stories in the stock market and crypto market because stories get big stock prices over time, right? Because we know stories equals 33 in reduction. China lifting BTC ban late 2021. That's going to happen. They always lift that ban, and that's when Bitcoin shoots the moon, and that's what's going to help METX, Metin Holding Group, with their new crypto mining plays, right? 137 count in. METX squeezes with BTC China ban lifted, 137 in septenary. So those are just some real quick and easy Gematria decodes. What I've realized, once you get good at this, you don't need a whole lot of Gematria decodes to make a better investment decision without it if you didn't have any of this. So let's just get into some of the meme stock charts real quick. So when looking at GME's stock price, a little bit before August 25th, it had a local bottom of 170. Now it's sitting over at 202. So it's been in an uptrend, lately, at least the past month or so, right? And so we are in the fall season, which is a bull run for the stock market going into December and January, right? And so you see that uptrend. And like I said, when you look at Bitcoin, Bitcoin moves the whole crypto market. When Bitcoin does well, everything else does well. You see AMC was a little, like 36, 37 bucks, and it moved up to 45 around the same time GME was hitting over 205, 210, and it started to come back down like GME did. So it's kind of following the same trajectory. They're kind of on the same algorithm, right? And so that's something to keep in mind when you're working in the meme stock sector. It's essentially the same as the cryptocurrency space. Now let's just look at METX a little bit. I do feel like this is going to be a cryptocurrency Bitcoin mining meme stock. It just has that social media buzz. I've been in it for a while. But what I do like to see, around the same time, a little bit before August 20th, about a month ago, it's been respecting the EMAs, right? It goes up, touches, goes up, touches, just a whole nice steady uptrend, and that's what we like to see. It's healthy, it's looking healthy, and they did a direct offering around here. That's why we had that down price, but it got ate up and along the way, and plus that was funding for the Bitcoin mining machines. So I do like METX overall for where it's going to go. So that's all I have for you guys today. Hopefully you guys learned something from this video and you can start using these tools to your advantage. You can start seeing the game that's being played and you can start playing it and being really good at it, helping people around you. So Art Turner, D.A.T.A Productions Media, dreams are tangible aspirations. I love you all and I'll see you in the next video.